University Alumni Dinner, an evening brimming with nostalgia and celebration. Tonight, we gather not just as individuals, but as a testament to the incredible legacy of Bahria University. I request everyone to please rise for the arrival of our honorable chief guest, Vice Admiral Abid Hamid, Hilale Imtiaz Military, Rector Bahria University, and Director General Bahria University Karachi Campus, Rear Admiral Muhammad Zubair Shafiq, Hilale Imtiaz Military. Let's extend our warmest welcome as we embrace their presence among us.
In the spirit, I kindly request your attention as we begin our evening with a recitation from the Holy Quran. I now request Mr. Muhammad Hamza Barkati to recite few verses from the Holy Quran, followed by Durood Sharif.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى أن رآه استغنى إن إلى ربك الرجعى. तर्जमा पढ़ो अपने रब के नाम से जिसने पैदा किया, जिसने इंसान को खून के लोथड़े से पैदा किया. तू पढ़ता रह, तेरा रब बड़े करम वाला है, जिसने कलम के ज़रिए इल्म सिखाया, जिसने इंसान को वो सिखाया जिसे वो नहीं जानता था. सचमुच इंसान तू आपे से बाहर हो जाता है इसलिए कि वो अपने आप को बेपरवाह समझता है. यकीनन लौटना तेरे रब की तरफ है. सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम. दुरूद शरीफ. अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैत अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद. अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकत अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Mirza Faizan Beg, a distinguished alumnus of Bahria University, who has recently been elected to a revered alumni association. With a BBA degree earned in 1998, Mr. Faizan, currently the CEO of Conductivity Consultancy Private Limited, has 24 years of invaluable experience in the corporate sector. Let's extend our warmest congratulations and welcome him upon the stage.
Thank you very much. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. Respected Rector, Vice Admiral Abid Hamid Sahab, DG Karachi Campus, Rear Admiral Zubair Shafiq Sahab, Director Academics, Captain Majid Mahmood Sahab, Director Advancement Arshad Sahab, and Director Admin Faqih Sahab, respected principals, HODs, honored immediate past president and the Alumni Association, distinguished guests, staff, faculty, and last but not the least, all the alumni. Welcome. Guys, thank you very much for being here. It means a lot. And as one of our alumni said just at the start of this evening, these events should keep happening. And it is a privilege to stand before you at this annual dinner with gratitude, humility, and a deep sense of pride. Pride not only in what we have achieved as individuals, but in what we represent together, the enduring spirit and the legacy of our alma mater. Before I move into the memories, I want to acknowledge the continued efforts of Bahria University's leadership in shaping this campus into what it is today. The Karachi campus has not only become more beautiful and meaningful from the time that we were here, it has expanded into faculties and programs, facilities, and functionality. The introduction of need-based scholarships and sports scholarships is a particularly encouraging step. May Allah put barakah in these efforts. A big round of applause for the Bahria University leadership. Now the memory lane. Tonight is not merely a dinner. Thank you very much for saying that. It is a reunion of memories, a celebration of shared roots, and a reminder that the time we spent at Bahria University, especially here at Karachi campus, was not merely a chapter in our lives, it was a foundation. For many of us, sitting over there, the foundation was laid even before this magnificent campus stood tall. My own batch and the batch before me, we were the most senior batches. We were, in a way, incubated in Bahria College, and it was at MT Khan Road near Meriwether Tower. Those were formative years. The infrastructure was modest, resources were limited, but what we carried was purpose and resolve. Daily commute of nearly 4 hours was not unusual for many of us, going and coming back. But neither the distance nor difficulty diluted our commitment. For me personally, I can safely say that the foundry at Bahria forged me into a resilient, disciplined, and tenacious individual, qualities that are critical to success everywhere in the world. We were taught, often implicitly, that challenges are not excuses, they are assignments. And whatever I have achieved in person, I credit it to my mentors and teachers, late Madam Famida Rufi, Sir Nayyar, and many more, who believed in me and in so many of my fellows. Their confidence became our fuel, and alhamdulillah, many of us are thriving today. And hats off to you guys. I would like to take a few minutes and explain what happened to me. And I would explain my own journey. The role BMLCS, then today's Bahria, played in my capacity building. In 1995, after passing away of my father, life took a turn that eventually led me to Bahria University, and I entered here in 1998. I arrived without a clear identity or direction. Yet, within 6 months, I had become a known figure on campus. Most of you who remember, I was known for my singing, yeah? And active in societies, student life. By the end of my university journey, I had built a strong self-identity and a wide network of connections. Yet, I still lacked a career path. Bahria gave me the identity and the courage to communicate, explore, and persevere, which has made me what I am today. With the courage, I started exploring. I tried sales, quickly learned that it was not my strong point. I experimented with event management, small computer hardware venture, went into 2 different certifications. One was animation, the other was gemology. And then came the true turning point. The turning point was that people are like minerals. There's a hadith which says, "Annas kal ma'adan," and that was the turning point. I joined Deloitte in human resource. Around 2003, 2004, the journey began. I found inspiration. I realized the best service I could do was career guidance and human capital solutions. In 2014, I realized that this was not merely a person's job to guide people, it was an organization, and thus conductivity was formed. So in a way, my conductivity, the company that I today head, 25, 30 people are working in the direction set here in the foundry of Varia. Conductivity is my way of giving back, a social response to disparity, and a silent yet impactful revolution. Some of us were witness of laying of foundation stone of this magnificent edifice that we are present here today. And along that journey, something remarkable happened for all of us. Friendships and alliances formed here became our net worth. That is our network. Over time, our trust, our collaboration turned into opportunity. Many of us are working together in intellectual capacity, professional capacity, and last but not the least, in friendship. Ladies and gentlemen, as we reflect on this journey, it is important to acknowledge our collective achievement. Our alumni have created impact across industries, organizations, communities, locally and globally. So this evening, I also want to express sincere appreciation to those alumni who have supported the association and the university alike. There have been many people who have supported us with jobs, with donations, with the endowment fund, and we wish that that continues. Every mentoring call, every referral, every student opportunity, every hour volunteered is appreciated. These are investments, and we truly appreciate them. As we stand at the edge of a new future, let us carry forward a shared intention to keep this alumni body vibrant, engaged, and purpose-driven. So, as president, my commitment is simple and clear: to foster a stronger connection between alumni, keep doing what we are doing right now, to create meaningful opportunities, not only for alumni, but also for students, faculty, and staff, and to ensure that the spirit of Varia continues to flourish, not just inside the campus, but through accomplishments and service of his graduates. But no president, no office bearer, and no committee can achieve this alone. The association is not a title, it is all of us. I take this opportunity to introduce the team that I will be working with this year, and I would like them to please join me on the stage. So allow me to present my Vice President, Arsalan Abdul Jabbar. General Secretary, Khizran Bangash. Corporate Liaison Leader, Abdul Ghani Mamdani. Fundraising Manager, Yusra Mehraj. Marketing Manager, Zishan Khan. And one name which we all know but haven't met, Daniel bin Asad, because he has been instrumental. Daniel, if you are here, please, can you join us on the stage? All right, he's still outside. He's working to actually connect us all. But his name has to be taken because he's one of the guys who has been instrumental in connecting us. Hats off to him. And one final member without whom the introduction cannot be completed, crucial team member, that is you yourself.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीबॉडी। यार जब आप यूनिवर्सिटी में हुआ करते थे तो आप जब टीचर सलाम करते थे तो मुझे याद है, मैं भी अलमनाई हूँ बहरिया का, आई एम वन ऑफ द अलमनस। सो हम जानबूझ के इतनी ज़ोर की आवाज़ में सलाम किया करते थे ताकि आवाज़ जो है ना वो 7वीं क्लास में जाए। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। I'm Humayun Zeb Abbasi. I'm Assistant Director, Alumni Affairs, and I'm here today just for the engagement part. कुछ realize कराने के लिए. As you all know that after every 3 years, our management changes, and हमारा vision जो है, we have Honorable Director now with us. आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, who recently joined Bahria University. Now, I'm really excited that the vision is aligned with the generation. He knows what we want. The time has changed. Things has changed. अब AI आ गया है. अब चीज़ें मुख्तलिफ हो गई हैं. और हम चाहते थे कि जिस तरह माँ बाप आप चाहते हैं ना समझें आपको कि अब हमारी डिमांड्स कुछ मुख्तलिफ हैं. So you will see not just in university academic reputation, you will see the entire change in the alumni connection. You will see the entire communication strategy will change according to what today's demand is. सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताऊं, अक्सर माँ बाप हमके लिए बहुत कुछ करते हैं. Your parents do a lot of things for you. लेकिन हमें याद नहीं आती, फिर वो एक दिन बिठाते हैं हमें और हमें बताते हैं कि जी उन्होंने आपके लिए क्या क्या किया. और ये वो लेक्चर है जो वो तकरीबन हर महीने में 4 दफ़ा देते हैं और आपको स्टोरी भी याद होती है कि ये क्या बताएंगे, कितनी दफ़ा किया. आप में से किस किसने सुनी है? हाथ खड़ा करें. ये तो फैकल्टी ने भी हाथ उठा दिए. आप सब ने किया, हम सब ने सुनी हुई. लेकिन इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू शुड नो कि वो स्ट्रगल क्या है. लेट मी टेल यू दैट योर पेरेंट बैरिया यूनिवर्सिटी. मैं सिर्फ 2 मिनट लूँगा, फिर मैं आपके पास आऊँगा. बैरिया यूनिवर्सिटी में अभी आपको पता है आपका अलमनाई 276 राइट, 276 से स्टार्ट हुआ था. Today we are 55,000, more than 55,000. That's what university has given. Let me tell you, you name the country. I think I should have not taken the name, but you name the country, even India. We have our alumni placed there, वो अपना नाम वहाँ पे भी मना रहा है. We have 14 international chapters at the moment. 14 international chapters. We have 5 alumni associations. आपको मैं आपकी employment बताऊं, आपकी employability is the reputation which QS ranking is also accepting it. It is more than 70%. You get graduated, you are look forward, आपकी CV को देखा जाता है. 70% is a big number. That's what Bahria is doing to you. Let me tell you, do you have any idea कि Bahria की scholarships कितनी देते हैं? सिर्फ 1 साल की आपको बताऊं. Just 1 year. Any wild guess? It's 120, more than 120 million in a year जो underprivileged student को Bahria देता है अपने पास से. अपने पास से. That's what your parents' university is doing. So अब मैं बात इसको इस तरह ख़त्म करूँगा. मेरी नानी अल्लाह ताला उन्हें जन्नतुल फिरदौस में जगह दे, तो उन्होंने मुझे एक बात कही. मैं एक दिन गुस्से में आया और मैंने कहा नानो पाकिस्तान में नहीं रहना, मैंने पाकिस्तान से बाहर जाना, इस मुल्क ने दिया ही क्या है मुझे. सो जो ये वाइट कमीज शलवार में मेरे भाई बैठे हुए चादर वाले, जी मैं चाहता हूँ आप सब सुने मेरी नानी ने मुझे जवाब क्या दिया. तो माय ग्रैंडमदर सेड, मेरी जान तुमने पाकिस्तान को क्या दिया. एग्जैक्टली यही साइलेंस था. आप सब ने सोचा होगा कि व्हाट यू हैव गिवन टू पाकिस्तान. हम जाते हैं, हम कहते हैं बहरिया ने ये किया वो किया. वी टॉक अबाउट आवर यूनिवर्सिटी, एवरीवन वी डिड. आज मैं सुन रहा था पीछे एक भाई बैठे हुए थे, कहते हैं यार इतने अरसे बाद आ रहे हैं, आ भी जा हुण. यू वांट टू कम टू यूनिवर्सिटी व्हिच हैज गिवन यू अ लॉट. आज आप जहां पर हैं, आप ये तो मानते हैं ना कि बैरिया यूनिवर्सिटी की वजह से. इफ यू एग्री प्लीज आई वांट टू हियर द क्लैप्स. टुडे वेयरएवर यू आर, इट इज बैरिया यूनिवर्सिटी. द लास्ट थिंग, तो मेरी जो नानों ने कहा ना कि तुमने पाकिस्तान को क्या दिया, तो तब से मैंने सोचा, फिर आई स्टार्टेड वॉलंटरीली वर्क. बस आपसे यही चाहते हैं कि आप पाकिस्तान को नहीं देंगे, पाकिस्तान को, बैरिया यूनिवर्सिटी को what you can give. And I'm sure you all are ready to give your parents' university what it actually deserves. Let's come to you. Let's go to your memories. हम माइक मिल जाएगा हमें? जी. अच्छा, सबसे पहला मैं खुद जाता हूँ ताकि मैं पहुँच जाऊँ सवाल जिससे पूछूंगा, अगर मुझे आप दे दें. I'll come to you. ठीक है. अब बिग राउंड फॉर सर, आपके लिए तालियां बजाएं ताकि मेरे पहुँचते हुए तालियां बज जाएं. आपको मुझे रास्ता देना पड़ेगा खड़े होके. Thank you very much. All right, so thank you. All right, आपके पास आते हैं जी. सर जब हायर कर रहे होते हैं आप बहरीन को, हम बायस होते हैं, हमें पता है ये बंदा कॉन्फिडेंट होगा, ये कुछ भी बेच देगा. So what was your experience when you were hiring a graduate or Bahrain graduate?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सबसे पहले सबको. I own a marketing agency बेसिकली हम लोग यूएस क्लाइंटेल है, तो बैरिया जो हमारा काम है ना काफ़ी क्योटिक है, मैनेजिंग एड स्पेंड और वो सारी चीज़ें। तो बैरियंस जो है ना क्योस हैंडल करने में बहुत अच्छे होते हैं।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Arslan, currently serving at Pakistan Naval Academy. और I have done in 2015 I have done bachelor's and masters and currently undergoing master's degree.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Muzakir Hussain. As Arslan said, we are batchmates. I have done BS Supply Chain Management 2015 and currently I am doing MBA Supply Chain Management and it is fourth semester right now.
Ji, I am Salim Akhtar. I have done MPhil in Clinical Psychology from Institute of Professional Psychology, Bahria University, Karachi campus. And recently, I am doing PhD in Clinical Psychology. Thank you.
Big round of applause जी, माशाल्लाह, what a profile. सर, आप दोनों क्लास फेलोज हैं, आप दोनों में से सबसे ज़्यादा पढ़ाकू कौन था और कौन अक्सर हमारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जो निकलते हैं तो कहते हैं यार बहुत बुरा पेपर हुआ और उसी का सबसे अच्छा पेपर हुआ होता है। आप किस किस को पता है, ताकि तालियां बजाएं जिनके पास ऐसे दोस्त हैं, तालियां बजाएं जिनके पास ऐसे दोस्त हैं, सबके पास होते हैं। वो कहते हैं पेपर बहुत बुरा हुआ तो उसका अच्छा। सर कैसे स्टूडेंट थे आप बताइए सर, आप बताइए।
अच्छा, हम दोनों में से जो पढ़ने में जो सबसे अच्छा है वो मुज़क्किर है, और जब भी ये पेपर दे के आएगा बोलेगा अच्छा पेपर नहीं हुआ तो इसका मतलब है कि सबसे अच्छे नंबर इसी के आएंगे।
कोई शरारत याद हो आपको आप दोनों की? ये नेवी वाले शरारत नहीं करते। चलिए that's good because ट्रेनिंग ऐसी होती है, ये शरारतें नहीं करते, ये शरारतें हम जैसे लोग करते। I think this will be the last few minutes. I'm going to go to on the top. जब हम बातें कर रहे थे चार दोस्त बड़े मज़े से हंस रहे थे और मुझे कंफर्टेबल लग नहीं रहा था। मैंने कहा ज़रा पूछे हम भी हंस लेते हैं कि ये चार लोग कौन है, पर आज ये सब स्टूडेंट्स हैं। सो गिव देम बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज। दे स्टिल लाफिंग लाइक दे वर लाफिंग एट द टाइम व्हेन दे वर यूनिवर्सिटी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, क्या हाल है? आप वन बाय वन अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करें, क्या करते हैं आप और आपने कब ग्रेजुएट किए। खड़े हो जाएंगे तो नीचे वाले लोग भी आपको देख सकेंगे।
जी वालेकुम अस्सलाम। आई एम एजाज़ फ़ारूक और मैं यूनाइटेड एनर्जी पाकिस्तान में हूँ करंटली एज अ डिप्टी मैनेजर। बेसिकली ऑयल एंड गैस एक्सप्लोरेशन कंपनी है, फॉर्मरली ब्रिटिश पेट्रोलियम थी है, एंड आई एम सर्विंग एज अ डिप्टी मैनेजर ऑफ फोल्ड बेल्ट एंड न्यू वेंचर्स टीम। Yeah, so I passed out, graduated in 2018. Yeah.
Move करिए next.
आ जाओ भाई।
तू बोल हार्ट टेकर बोल है यार, नहीं बोल।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
शर्जील आपको हम सब जानते हैं। शर्जील को कौन जानते हैं? शर्जील इज अ मीडिया पर्सनालिटी। प्लीज गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू देम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं इस वक्त बोल न्यूज़ में बतौर न्यूज़ एंकर सर्व कर रहा हूँ और इससे पहले मल्टीपल नेशनल चैनल्स में भी सर्व कर चुका हूँ। यहाँ पर आना और यहाँ के अलुमनाइज़ के साथ कनेक्ट होना और स्टूडेंट्स ऑब्वियसली जब वो हमारे पास फील्ड में आते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली हम कोशिश करते हैं कि जिस हद तक हो सके उनकी सपोर्ट की जाए। बाकी इतना ज़्यादा भी दिल नहीं कर रहा बताने का क्योंकि ऑलरेडी इंजॉय कर रहे हैं। आई होप कि आप लोग भी इंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। ऐसा नहीं, बहुत अच्छी प्रोफाइल है इनकी। मैं चाहूँगा कि ये स्टार्ट करें।
ये वही हो रहा है जो क्लास में हुआ करता था। प्रेजेंटेशन के दौरान अक्सर हम ये किया करते हैं, जो पता था जो अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट होता था हम कहते हैं प्रेजेंटेशन वही थे। आई वुड लाइक टू नो, नॉट जस्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेटिंग, आप ताकि जो हायर मैनेजमेंट है दे कैन ऑल्सो सी टू यू कौन कौन बैंकिंग सेक्टर में है। प्लीज रेज योर हैंड सो दैट वी नो। A big round of applause to all of these, mashallah, bankers. And who is at the governmental positions at the moment? कौन government के साथ काम कर रहे हैं? Please raise your hand so that we can know how many people are working for government. How many? जी, mashallah, mashallah. Big round of applause, जी. अच्छा, एक हमारे पास alumnus मौजूद है, हम इनसे बात करते हैं. And I think, sir, आप किस batch से हैं? And please introduce yourself so that we can know about you.
Thank you very much. I am Tariq Ali Nawaz. I belong to batch 1998. The same batch where Mirza Faizan Beg and mashallah Zulfishan, like जिसको हम आपा कहते हैं ना. It's a great evening and thank you Bahria University, the management and all the great faces here, and I can just understand that, mashallah, all of you are either somewhere or you're going to reach somewhere, inshallah. ठीक है ना? I'm serving in a government organization as a director of administration, Pakistan Agricultural Research Council. It's a apex body under Ministry of National Food Security Research, and it's a great experience. ठीक है ना? Beside all the private organizations, you have very much scope to go in government organization as well. Well, I am there to support you all in any connections and any help regarding tests and examinations. I am there for you, each one of you. Those who are not here, you can send my voice to them as well. ठीक है? तारिक अली नवाज. Thank you.
I didn't have to say a lot. मेरा ख्याल है यही है. That's the जज्बा we know Bahrians have to give back to community. हम मैम से पूछेंगे, मैम किस बैच से हैं और अभी आप क्या खिदमत सर अंजाम दे रही हैं?
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm from 1998 batch. We were the second batch for this university, so almost among the pioneers. I'm running my own business. I run my own marketing services company, and we have been meeting a lot of students, lot of, as an employer. So truly thrilled to meet a lot of talent, and I'm really inspired. Looking forward to see you all in the market. Yeah.
इंशाल्लाह. मैम ईमेल एड्रेस दे दीजिएगा, सीवी भेज दिए आपको. ठीक है, हम सब सीवी भेज देंगे. यू कैन कंट्रीब्यूट इन एनी वे यू वांट टू. दिस इज जस्ट द जज्बा. आपके अंदर जज्बा होना चाहिए टू गिव बैक. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आप याद रखिएगा, आप जब भी बहरिया का दरवाज़ा खटखटाएंगे, वी आर ऑलवेज देयर फॉर यू. यू नो यू हैव टू गिव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. अगर आप इरम को कांटेक्ट करें, आप दानियाल को कांटेक्ट करें, आप हेड ऑफिस कांटेक्ट करें अलुमनाई के लिए, यू ऑलवेज गेट द आंसर. समटाइम्स मे बी वी आर बिजी, बट यू गेट द आंसर. यू आर नॉट. You get it, right? They're always there for you. And एक लास्ट चीज़, आपने अलुमनाई पोर्टल पे अपने आप को ज़रूर रजिस्टर करना है ताकि हम आपके साथ कनेक्ट कर सकें, हम आपको कनेक्ट करवा भी सकें. आज ऐसा टाइम है कि आप जब डिनर करेंगे तो आपसे हमारे डायरेक्टर एडवांसमेंट, हु इज़ ऑल्सो डायरेक्टर स्टूडेंट अफेयर्स एट द मोमेंट, ही इज़ गोइंग टू मीट यू. सो दिस इज़ द टाइम व्हेन यू कैन build your professional connections as well. We're here, we're bringing you here ताकि आप एक दूसरे से मिल सकें. और आपके 14 international chapters की वेबसाइट पे डिटेल्स गिवन है. If you want to visit that country, connect with them. Their LinkedIn is there, their email is there. We're facilitating you to utmost, and we'll keep on doing that. I would like to know, last thing, कौन 1998 बैच से भी है यहाँ पर मौजूद? Anyone else? इनके अलावा? Anybody else from 1998 batch? मैडम है. मैडम से पूछते हैं where she is working at the moment. And जी, और अच्छा एक सवाल है मेरे पास आपके लिए लास्ट. आपका भी IQ टेस्ट करना बहरिया के वास्ते. अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम. जी.
We are actually from the batch of 1996. We joined in 1996 and we graduated in 2000. Okay, so मैं अभी कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ. I am a homemaker right now. जी. My husband is in Pakistan Navy, so I had to cut short my career. No, I joined a firm. I worked for around 12 years, but currently I'm not working because I had to shift a lot of stations, being a wife of a naval officer. So, but I just wanted to make sure that everyone knows that the first batch that passed out was in 2000. And we joined in 1996, and we were the first ones, we were the second ones to pass out.
Yeah, second.
Yeah, we joined in Bahriya. Exactly.
We were associated with Peshawar University at that time.
Yeah.
आपने मेरा जो अगला सवाल था वो जो मैंने पूछना था वो यही था कि when was Bahriya's first batch came in? It was 1996.
Yes.
1996 it was BIMS, Bahriya Institute of Management Sciences. तब से लेकर आज तक हम 55,000 का alumni है. Let me tell you, not even DUMS had this much of alumni. माशाल्लाह हमने graduates निकाले हैं और आप दुनिया के किसी भी इलाके में जाएं आपको आपका Bahrian वहाँ पे नजर आएगा. You name Apple, you name Microsoft, you name Schlumberger, you name any company, just name it. I'll tell you, our alumni is placed there and they're working there. So big round of applause for Bahrian University.
I am from batch 2018. 2018 के मैं बैच से हूँ. Currently I am working in Unilever in finance department. So
I just want to share my experience with all of you. Currently, we went to Islamabad for AGM, Unilever AGM Annual General Meeting. So there I received an award of High Performance Award. So when I came from stage back, so everyone come to me and they were asking, "Okay, are you from IBA or LUMS?" They were asking, "I'm from where? Which university?" Na? So I told them that I'm from Bahria University. So this was the very honor to me that I am representing my Bahria University in Unilever Pakistan Limited. So thank you very much.
My name is Sameer and I am working in GSK Pakistan as a regional sales manager. मैंने 15 जून 2010 को अपना ग्रेजुएशन मास्टर्स कंप्लीट किया और 16 जून 2010 को वेरी नेक्स्ट डे नोवाटिस फार्मा ज्वाइन की. वेरी नेक्स्ट डे मैंने सोचा था कि मास्टर्स करके थोड़ी सी अयाशी करेंगे, घूमेंगे फिरेंगे दोस्तों के साथ और इन्जॉय करेंगे, मगर अल्टीमेटली ये हुआ कि जिस दिन एक ही दिन ग्रेजुएट हुए, वेरी नेक्स्ट डे आई फाउंड माय जॉब और मैंने कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में पाँव रख लिया. सो दैट वाज ऑल.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Everything what we say, I think, sir, आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं?
Assalamualaikum, my name is Danish and I just got a nostalgic feeling while entering because 12 years ago when I came over here for the orientation, Ma'am Jacqueline Ismat was giving the orientation over and I had just the same feeling when I came over here 12 years ago. And I just want to talk about a short story which I experienced in Bahria University. So where I graduated by 2017, and after that I was like, I wanted to take the admission for MBA in the same university. So I had like 3.88 GPA at that time, and I got the silver medal as well. So I was asking, so we had the teacher, Sir Asif Humayun, who was Vice Admiral, retired Vice Admiral as well. I was asking, sir, can I like have a scholarship as well because I am like a top student? So he was like, that takes time, but you know what? I can transfer you the money at the moment to help you at that moment. And I was like, no, sir, I can manage it, but really was very thankful. He was like a family to me, and I would say, may Allah rest his soul in peace. And right now, I am in Food Panda currently, and last year I got the opportunity. I am in the regional role, and the reason why I was placed in that role because Pakistan is a market jahan pe we have like innovative doings of fraud by the riders. So they took me for like handling the fraud in the 17 markets, and now they have requested me to move to Berlin for more countries like 17. From 17, they will be now giving to me 70 countries to look after. And Bahria like given me this opportunity where I completed my BBA and MBA. So thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you very much. I think we all spoke our heart out. One thing I would like to say that our Honorable Rector must also, because I think it's the first alumni event he attended, and he must be very proud that where he's serving, the alumni is making us proud. And I think you will make us more proud when you will be, of course, you are the fourth important pillar of our university. And because without you, we are nobody. You represent us. हमारी advertisement, हमारी marketing, हमारा सब कुछ आप हैं. और आज आपके आने का बहुत शुक्रिया. And I'm really glad that today this alumni homecoming turns out to be one of the best events because of you. Thank you very much.
I would like to call Dr. Fariha Kawal on the stage. She is the founder of Hope and Cope Psychological Services Center.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Thank you for having me here. So I'll start off with my journey. 12 years ago, a very timid, very unsure girl stepped out of the third floor elevator of Sir Syed block, questioning herself whether she's making the right decision. Is she worth taking admission at one of Pakistan's top institutions that are offering psychology? And will she be able to make it? It so happens that she somehow passed the test, she somehow cleared the interview, and she got admission. Not just that, the then leadership, Dr. Zainab Fatawat Zadeh at that time, saw something in me that probably even I did not see at that time. She asked me right away, she said, based on your prior experience, because I was working in the Space Agency of Pakistan at that time, she said, would you be willing to teach as well as visiting faculty? And so I said yes, with a lot of disbelief and with a lot of unsurety that, is she, like, does this make even sense? But, well, again, as I said, she saw something in me that I could not see at that time. She saw fire, and she knew how to polish it in a way that will help light the world rather than burn it down. One quality that IPP Bahria University has always had is that it knows exactly what sort of resources, what sort of experience, and what sort of exposure to provide to its students so that they can go out and shine. And I think we have heard quite a few stories right now, quite a few success stories, I would say. One additional thing that was given to me was a trust in my leadership capabilities. And so my journey began with IPP, not just as a student, but as a faculty member who later joined as a permanent faculty member as well. And I held multiple leadership positions, from being a cluster head to being the PGP coordinator to eventually being the head of department. Thank you. And it was this leadership polishing, I would say, and the exposure that led me into eventually establishing my own venture, Hope and Corp Psychological Services Center. What started off as a simple bootstrap startup turned into an organization that right now has 2 offices and clinics in prime locations of Karachi. I am proud to say that I have been able to give back to my university, my institute, in the form of more than 100 internship opportunities and approximately 30 employment opportunities to the psychology graduates. We have been doing it for other universities as well who have been offering psychology, but of course, for the right reasons, my partiality always lies with Bahria. So this is one place that I always keep coming back to. We right now in my organization have 3 service units as well. We have a clinical service unit, we have a community service unit, and a corporate service unit. And we have been doing multiple events, multiple initiatives under these 3 initiatives. One thing that I'm proud to say again, a vision that was given to me, imparted on me by IPP, was giving back to the society. Humayun Saab has been constantly saying giving back is very important. And so what we started off was, as per our community services unit, and let me tell you also one thing, we are not funded by anybody. We are self-funded. Our business model is such that is self-sustainable, and as a result of that, our services are very much aligned with UN Sustainable Development Goals 2030 and WHO's mental health vision of 2030. As per that, we have pioneered multiple initiatives that right now no one else is doing in Pakistan actually. We conducted first ever open mic on mental health, which is something that was done for general public, not for a particular institute, not for a particular organization, but rather for general public, so that the stigma around mental health and opting for psychological services can be reduced. We have also started first ever Urdu language, culturally contextualized mental health channel for YouTube, where people who cannot access mental health services, whether because of taboo, stigma, financial concerns, they can come and they can just visit our channel and they will be able to receive the same services that maybe you and I, people who are in psychology, will be providing in clinic. We have also been holding biannual free mental health camps for general public. A lot of mental health camps have been happening. People who have been here, they would know. But those are happening in secluded places. Educational institutions are doing them for their own students. Corporate organizations have been doing them. We are the first ones in Pakistan right now who have been holding it in general places for general public, for them to be able to reduce their stigma. We have also started one initiative in corporate. A lot of people here are from corporate. There used to be a very common idea of executive physical health checkup. But mental health is equally important. And so we have floated this idea, and a lot of organizations have asked us to continue with that, that there should also be executive mental health checkup for the individuals. We were also pioneers in hosting the first ever event on healthy aging, which was again for general public, where we asked people to come in. They were provided with free assessment and free consultation about how can they ensure that they grow older in a healthier and a graceful manner. This is my way of giving back to my university, my institute, because as I said earlier, whoever I am today, whatever vision I had, I always had this fire that I wanted to do something for my country and to give back somehow. But it was IPP, Bahia University, that gave me the path, that gave me the vision, and that actually polished all the skills that I required to be where I am today. Thank you very much for having me. Thank you.
May I now invite Mr. Muhammad Usman, founder and CEO of Wonder Tech, to the stage.
2011 के अंदर हम लोग में enroll हुआ था और उस वक्त सर उस्मान वीद थे and he nurtured me कि entrepreneurship करनी है. Before that, my name is Muhammad Usman. I'm the CTO and founder of Wonder Tree. Wonder Tech नहीं है, Wonder Tree है. So सर उस्मान वीद ने 2011 के अंदर हमारे दिमाग के अंदर बिठा दिया कि you need to start your own journey and stuff like that. 2011 के अंदर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के अंदर उन्होंने इतना टफ टाइम दिया कि जो हमारी एक क्लास के अंदर almost 45 या 50 के करीब स्टूडेंट्स थे, that went towards to 25 और करते करते and when we graduate to last semester 8th semester तक that went toward 22 students. But उस tough time की वजह से हम लोगों ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी. Moving forward towards 2015 जहाँ पे मैंने अपना FIP शुरू किया within the university, जो कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट वंडर ट्री, जिसके बारे में मैं आपको आगे थोड़ा सा बताऊंगा. यहाँ पे मैंने मल्टीपल डिसिप्लिन्स के अंदर कम्युनिकेट करने शुरू कर दिया. फॉर एग्जांपल फ्रॉम IPP मिस शबनम से मैंने कनेक्ट किया, मैम नबिया फैसल जो कि यहाँ पे थी, इसी तरीके से आमिर मंजूर जो कि बिजनेस साइड की तरफ से थे. बट इस जर्नी के अंदर जो हम लोगों ने सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट जो चीज़ थी वो ये था कि मल्टीपल लोगों से मिलकर और चीज़ें सीखना शुरू की. What Wonder Tree is basically हम लोग एक augmented reality games बनाते हैं for special needs children that helps them improve their motor, cognitive, educational and emotional skills. This is not something जो कि हम लोगों ने पाकिस्तान के अंदर काम किया. We are multinational company, alhamdulillah, जो कि we are working with B2G, B2B, B2C with governments across Pakistan, in UAE, Qatar और sector USA वगैरह के साथ. जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात ये है कि बैरी यूनिवर्सिटी ने जो हमें प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है, यहाँ पे मुझे उनकी मेंटर्स से मिलने का मौका मिला है जिन्होंने मुझे ट्रेन करके नर्चर किया, जहाँ से अब आगे हम लोग काफ़ी ज़्यादा पाकिस्तान के अंदर, नॉट जस्ट पाकिस्तान बल्कि पूरी दुनिया में हम लोग पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन कर रहे होते हैं कि वंडर ट्रीज़ जो कि एक पाकिस्तानी प्रोडक्ट है और एक्चुअली हेल्प उन माजूर बच्चों को इन ग्रो करने के अंदर. So thank you for having me and hosting us. Sir रिजवान का मैं thank you करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने invite किया और आप लोगों से वो connect करूँ. And I would love कि मैं आप लोगों से चीज़ें सीखूँ because मैं आज अगर इस जर्नी तक पहुँचा हूँ या इस जगह तक पहुँचा हूँ वो इन्हीं लोगों की connections और चीज़ें सीखने से बना हूँ. So I would love to connect and learn more कि आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Muhammad Usman, for sharing your journey with all of us. Now, I request Ms. Nazia Tabassum to please come on stage and share your journey with all of us. She is the Head of Human Resources and Organizational Development at Leopards Courier Services.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening, everyone. First of all, I'm really grateful for having the opportunity to be around, to be in front of you all. And I would truly appreciate this initiative where everyone have gathered, everyone have been sharing their success stories, and so is mine. I basically graduated from Bahia in 2014, and I have worked with certain MNCs. Currently, I'm working as HR and OD head in Leopards Courier Services. So basically, when I was just, I would like to share the experience while coming here after a couple of years and passing through the same streets till auditorium. The realization was probably I'm rushing to the classroom, and anytime the class can start, probably I'm rushing late for it. So the same feeling actually initiated. We usually take all these things for granted, but actually that is the phase we miss the most once we are in the corporate world. there in our institutes, there are a group of people who are actually very much looking forward to us. They are more concerned about our careers than us, and they are very much interested in making us learn. So that actually results once we get into the corporate world. One of the mentor guide, I would like to take the name of Ma'am Saima Zia. In HR, where my article was published along with her in the international publication that was Gender Discrimination at Workplace. So that was the start of the point where I decided that probably this is the unit or this is the topic I'm going to work for. I joined deliberately those organizations where gender was not appreciated in that manner, or at least the female gender was not working on a very good positions. I actually joined one of the MNC, as I said, their headquarters was in Thailand, namely Global Food Marketing Group. And I worked for good 5 years in that organization. Starting from HR officer position, I finally ended up as management representative, where I was responsible for all the functions, including my HR itself. So I was basically HR and OD that I was handling there. I consider this as one of the greatest achievements because getting into organization and reaching to the final point, which is the main and recognizable position, is not an easy goal. And without the support of your mentors and guide, it is never possible. So, you know, we actually, when we start, at that time, we do take these things for granted, but those energies are some way hidden in us, and at the time, it helps us to rise and shine. I actually joined Leopards as an assistant manager organization development. There also, there were females who were working on elementary positions at that time. I was the first assistant manager, you can say, and everyone was staring at me that, okay, an assistant manager has come and she's female, and how she's going to perform and all, right? So after this assistant manager, when I was manager, again, people got amiss. Since I was in HR, so I started inducting people. I started inducting females, and I saw what is the ratio of male and female currently. I started increasing that. And in that, I am always very well connected with Beria in terms of internship, in terms of MTO program that we initiated, in terms of mock interviews. Recently also, I was here in Beria a couple of months ago in the mock interview. And apart from it, there are a few guest speaking sessions also. So for one reason or another, I always make sure that I'm connected with Beria. And, you know, when you want to stay connected, you find 1,000 reasons for it. And I'm always glad for it. Sometimes my management also asks me that, okay, how many interns you have? Nazia, tell us how many of them are from Beria. So I always say them that see the potential. So you see how they are performing. And I'm glad to share that I am HR and OD head from Beria, like started from it. And in this, similarly, we do have a head of marketing, Mr. Aleem. He is also from Beria. And we have a head of consumers who is now in TCS, Mr. Zishan Farzan. He is Barian as well. So whenever we used to sit as a committee members, we all used to sit and say, okay, this is the Beria group who is sitting along with us. So it is always, you know, a pleasure seeing it like this and the potential that we carry. By the way, they also started from very elementary positions, and they are becoming on the head level position, which is just a secondary position to our director level. So actually, potential lies in us. It is we who have to explore it, but the base always is the institute which gives us. So we should always remain grateful to that. And as Mayu said, and everyone else said, that this is the time to give back. So always try to find out the reasons how you can give back. And if, as I said earlier, if you really want to, you have 1,000 reasons to connect with the institute. And I'm really, really proud. And this is the platform where I have got this opportunity to thank each and every one of the faculty members who have been participating, who have been putting a lot of efforts and taking care of my career more than I was concerned to it. So thanks a lot. And I wish all the very best to everyone. I'm sure everyone will excel in their career. And the way I will be able to put up my efforts back to the Beria, I will try my level best. So all the best to everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Nazia, for sharing your pursuit of excellence with us. May I now request the presence of Mr. Syed Nabil Haider, founder and CEO, GemSols Technologies, on the stage.
Hello everyone. 2019 में I was graduated or it's been like 5 years, and during this 5 years I am now employer of more than 30 people. और since like 3 साल में मैंने अपनी कंपनी स्टार्ट की और till then मैं 100+ internship opportunities दे चुका हूँ, not for just Bahrians but different universities. मेरा एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का जो जर्नी है वो कैसे स्टार्ट हुई और वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई, आई वांट टू मेक इट लाइक अ स्टोरी. सो व्हेन आई वाज इन माय 3rd सेमेस्टर आई गेस, सो बहरिया का एक डिपार्टमेंट है जिसको BIC कहते हैं. काफ़ी सारे लोगों को उसके बारे में पता होगा. इट्स अ बिजनेस इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो हमारे FYPs होते हैं, आप सब ने FYPs किए होंगे जो CS के हैं या IT के हैं या सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग के हैं. तो जो FYP के स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं वो वहाँ पे आके कॉम्पीट करते हैं और अपने फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट को एज एन बिजनेस आइडिया इन्वेस्टर्स के सामने, जजेस के सामने प्रेजेंट करते हैं. और बहरिया उनको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है, उनको एक वर्क स्पेस देता है, उनको मेंटोरशिप देता है, उनको इन्वेस्टर से कनेक्ट कराता है. और उसके बाद हार्डली लाइक 7 और 8 स्टार्टअप्स जो सिलेक्ट होते हैं. आई वॉज इन माई 4th सेमेस्टर राइट. जब मैंने अप्लाई किया BIC के लॉन्च पैड में तो सब ने कहा कि नहीं, तुम तो कर ही नहीं सकते, तुम तो 4th सेमेस्टर के बच्चे हो. Still lot of people tell me कि how you can employ 30 people with you now, you are just 28 years old. By the way 45 और 50 years old के employees भी काम करते हैं मेरे पास. So when I was in my 4th semester, I applied in Launchpad. मैंने अपना idea भी present किया, but उससे पहले there was lot of rejections. कि ना, you can do it. आप apply ही नहीं कर सकते. Then I went to Sir Rizwan. He's sitting right in front of me. By the way, I'm the proud alumni of Bahriya and a proud alumni of BIC as well. So I went to Sir Rizwan and told them why only FYPs can apply in BIC Launchpad. Why not a 1st semester student or a 2nd semester student who have a business idea, who can validate it, who have a plan, cannot apply into it. Sir Rizwan ने कहा कि आप आओ, apply करो, pitch your idea to the investors and let's see what happens. What happened? I got selected. मुझे mentorship मिली entrepreneurship की, मुझे mentorship मिली investment की, मुझे mentorship मिली business की. And from there, I started my company. I started hiring people. I started connecting with investors. As of now, I don't have any investor. It's all self-funded. And we are registered in 3 different countries, UK, Canada and USA. So आगे बढ़ने से पहले हम क्या करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं, मैंने क्या सब कुछ किया. आई वुड लव कि सर रिजवान हमें ज्वाइन करें ओवर द स्टेज और थोड़ा सा बताएं कि BIC क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ देता है स्टूडेंट्स को, क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ देता है बहरियंस को, जस्ट एम्प्लॉय बनने के लिए नहीं बल्कि एम्प्लॉयर बनने के लिए. तो सर रिजवान, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट इफ़ यू कैन कम.
Okay, ji. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, thank you very much for calling me here. Otherwise, this is your podium, this is your story, and this is your university. So, well, the BIC is about the mindset development, what we have started. Back in 2015, before that, only the FYP was there. But at that time, I said, why not the 1st semester student cannot be in a startup? So we started in his 3rd semester, 1 company, 2 company, and another. So that's what we are doing for the mindset development. We are telling the students, whatever it is in your mind, because the big things will not come, in a jiffy. They have to start some way, like a Google. The story, you know that. It was a just PhD thesis. Google was a just PhD thesis. In 1995, when the internet was available, only the Yahoo search engine was there, and there was a PhD student, Larry, went to his professor, Terry, and he said, I want to replicate, again, ye mera word bada important hai, replicate a search engine, Yahoo, and Yahoo was all over the world. He said, okay, let's try it, because this is a part of research. So he started, and he has PageRanker AI in 1997, and that if your name being searched so many times in the Google, it will top on the list. जो कि आज हम कहते हैं SEO, this is search engine optimization. So you can see there was a thesis, now is a huge company. So idea can come from anywhere. So that's why we have used in the BIC, whatever the semester that you are, doesn't mean that if you have any problem, the solution, please come out. And thank you very much for calling here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Rizwan, for joining and letting people know what BIC offers. So, as of now, I have already told you guys that I am employing more than 30 people, and I have shared more than 100 plus opportunities till now. ड्यूरिंग दिस होल टाइम बहरिया ने जो मुझे सपोर्ट दिया, बहरिया ने मुझे जो माइंडसेट दिया एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का, जब भी हम यूनिवर्सिटी में आते हैं वी ऑलवेज लाइक कि हम बैचलर्स कर लें, हम मास्टर्स कर लें, एक अच्छी सी नौकरी मिल जाए एंड लाइफ गोज़ ऑन. बट जब मैं अपने 4th सेमेस्टर में आया और मुझे एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का मज़ा लगा, सो दैट वाज द ओनली पॉइंट कि चाहे मैंने जॉब्स की साथ में या चाहे मैंने फ्रीलांसिंग की साथ में, बट द पॉइंट वाज कि मुझे बहरिया से निकल के बहरिया को रिप्रेजेंट करना है और अपनी एक खुद की कंपनी बनानी है, अपनी खुद की एक आइडेंटिटी क्रिएट करनी है और नॉट जस्ट एम्प्लॉय बल्कि एक एम्प्लॉयर बन के बाहर आना है. इट टुक मी 5 years बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आई हैव डन इट. सो थैंक यू सो मच everyone for coming and having me.
Thank you so much, Mr. Syed Nabil Haider and Sir Rizwan, for your insight. Now, I would like to call Ms. Tuba Kazim to please come on the stage and share your journey with us. She's a fleet officer in Pakistan National Shipping Corporation. Ma'am, please come on the stage.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone and a very good evening and good night. Thank you so much for inviting me, sir. First of all, Sir Asif Inam, thank you so much for inviting me here. I'm very grateful to you. I don't think I am also the success story. You all are the success story who are sitting there. So claps for you, first of all. Start from the journey, जब बेसिकली हम लोग अपनी क्लासेस में थे और ये थिंक करते थे कि एक जॉब फेयर है, मार्केट में कंपटीशन है कि हम लोग किस तरह आगे मार्केट में ग्रो अप करेंगे. बट थिंक इज़ दैट व्हेन यू लर्न, और जब आप बिल्कुल अपनी प्रोग्रेस की तरफ मूव करते हैं, लाइक आपने थिंक किया है कि जैसे आपने एक आगे बढ़ना है और उसकी चाहत के लिए आपने कुछ वर्क करना है, देन खुद ब खुद वो चीज़ें आपके पास आना स्टार्ट हो जाती हैं. सो दैट थिंग्स ऑफिसर हैपन टू विद मी कि जब मैं बिल्कुल भी मेरे माइंड ऑफ फ्री में नहीं था कि इस तरह मैं गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे जाके अपनी पाकिस्तान नेशनल शिपिंग कॉर्पोरेशन को और गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे जाके या इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे जाके अपनी एक जो मैरीटाइम इंडस्ट्री है उसको रिप्रेजेंट करूँगी. सो बेसिकली जो मोटिवेशन थी वो मुझे अपनी मैरीटाइम डिपार्टमेंट से मिली. एंड थैंक यू फॉर द मैरीटाइम डिपार्टमेंट जिन्होंने मुझे इतना इंकरेज किया था कि मैं आज एक इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे और नेशनल लेवल पे बैठ के पाकिस्तान की नेशनल शिपिंग कॉर्पोरेशन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, Ms. Tuba Kazim.
Now it's time for the students' performance. So are you ready to feel the energy and enjoy some amazing music? Let's give a big round of applause to the Music Club of Bahria University, Karachi campus for their power-packed live performance.
बेहिजाबान वो सामने आ गए. यही जज्बा चाहिए पूरी परफॉर्मेंस में. बेहिजाबान वो सामने आ गए और जवानी से टकरा गए. फ्लैश लाइट्स ऑन कर लें सब. आंख उनकी लड़ी यूं मेरी आंख से, आँख उनकी लड़ी यूं मेरी आँख से. देख कर ये लड़ाई मजा आ गया. मेरे रश के कमर तूने पहली नजर जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया. मेरे रश के कमर तूने पहली नजर जब नजर मोहब्बत ने अंगड़ाई ली, दिल का सौदा हुआ चांदनी रात में। आँख उठी मोहब्बत ने अंगड़ाई ली, दिल का सौदा हुआ चांदनी रात में। इनकी नजरों ने कुछ ऐसा जादू किया, इनकी नजरों ने कुछ ऐसा जादू किया, लुट गए हम तो पहली मुलाकात में। आँख उठी मोहब्बत ने अंगड़ाई ली, दिल का सौदा हुआ चांदनी रात में। शोर नहीं आ रहा, मजा नहीं आ रहा। अब ये गाना उनके लिए जिन्होंने काले कपड़े पहने हैं। कमीज तेरी काली, नी सोने फुल्लां वाली, क्या बात है। कमीज तेरी काली, नी सोने फुल्लां वाली, ओ भावे वसे तू वलेत ऐसा करनी नी रे, तैनू लेके जाना है मियां वाली। कमीज तेरी काली, सोने फुल्लां वाली। काले कपड़े वाले जरा अपने हाथ उठा ले। बहुत सारे लोगों ने काले कपड़े पहने। मैंने ये गाना गाना नहीं था, मैंने काले कपड़े वालों की तादाद देख के सोचा कि मुझे गाना चाहिए। कमीज तेरी काली, नी सोने फुल्लां वाली, नी जुल्फां छले, काले काले छले, नी जुल्फां छले, नी काले काले छले। तेनू तक्का ते लुटा मेरा दिल ना लुटा, तेनू लेके जाना है मियां वाली। कमीज तेरी काली, नी सोने फुल्लां वाली। आवाज नहीं आ रही, बस एनर्जी इतनी थी आप लोगों की। किवें मुखड़े तो नजरा हटावा, किवें मुखड़े तो नजरा हटावा, कि तेरे जिया होर दिसदा, कि तेरे जिया होर दिसदा। ये गाना सारे लुमिनाइज के लिए। किवें मुखड़े तो नजरा हटावा, किवें मुखड़े तो नजरा हटावा, कि तेरे जिया होर दिसदा। छेती आजा हुण तक नी आरामा, छेती आजा हुण तक नी आरामा, कि तेरे जिया होर दिसदा, कि तेरे जिया होर दिसदा। दिल करदा मैं तैनू वेखी जावा, दिल करदा मैं तैनू वेखी जावा, कि तेरे जिया होर दिसदा, कि तेरे जिया होर दिसदा। अब ये आखिरी गाना है तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये आप सारे साथ गाएं। सबको आता है ये गाना। तैयार है सारे? शोर नहीं आ रहा, मजा नहीं आ रहा। मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, हुस्न वालों से अल्लाह बचाए, मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, माजा बालों से अल्लाह बचाए, मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, हुस्न वालों से अल्लाह बचाए। इनकी मासूमियत पर न जाना, इनके धोखे में हर किस ना लूट चालों से अल्लाह बचाए, मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, हुस्न वालों से अल्लाह बचाए, मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, हुस्न वालों से अल्लाह बचाए, इनकी चालों से अल्लाह बचाए, हुस्न वालों से अल्लाह बचाए, मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, हुस्न वालों से अल्लाह बचाए, मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, इनकी चालों से अल्लाह बचाए. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Sayyid Javaduddin and with me is Felicity and Zain. And on the flute we have Sharifuddin. I am also recently graduated from Bahria University. Last week ही मैं exam दे के अपने free हूँ. And now I am officially graduated. She is also graduated. But I am still a part of music club and I was also serving as the coordinator of music club. So इसीलिए हम अभी perform कर रहे हैं. I hope you guys will like the performance. और आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि साथ में ज्वाइन करना और एंजॉय करना क्योंकि ये इवेंट आप लोगों के लिए है. रात यूं दिल को तेरी भूली हुई याद आई, जैसे वीराने में चुपके से बाहर आ जाए, जैसे सहराओं में हौले से चले बाद नसीब, जैसे बीमार को बेवजह करार आ जाए, आप बैठे हैं बालिश पे मेरी, मौत का जोर चलता नहीं, आप बैठे हैं बालिश पे मेरी, मौत का जोर चलता नहीं,
आप बैठे हैं बालिश पे मेरी, मौत का जोर चलता नहीं है, मौत मुझको
गवाना है लेकिन, मौत मुझको गवाना है लेकिन, क्या करूं दम निकलता नहीं, मौत मुझको गवाना है लेकिन, क्या करूं दम निकलता नहीं.
ये अदा ये नज़ाकत बरा से मेरा दिल तुम पे कुर्बान, लेकिन ये अदा ये नज़ाकत बरा से मेरा दिल तुम पे कुर्बान, लेकिन
क्या संभालोगे तुम मेरे दिल को, क्या संभालोगे तुम मेरे दिल को, जब ये आंचल संभलता नहीं, आप संभालोगे तुम मेरे दिल को, जब ये आंचल संभलता नहीं, आप बैठे हैं बालिन पे मेरी, मौत का जोर चलता नहीं, मौत मुझको गवाना है लेकिन, क्या करूं दम निकलता नहीं. बाबा च ओनू लुकावा कोई मैनू ना रोके मेरे ढोल जुदाइयां दी तेनू खबर किवें होवे आ जावे दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे आ बड़ियां बड़ाइयां दी दिल बात किवें होवे आ जावे दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे इश्क फकीरानी पीरो मुरीदानी इश्क वलियानी रोदाए खलीलानी इश्क बड़ा के मरचा तफ्तरावानी अम्मलो गंजा कसी हस्ती बिजानी इश्क नूरुआ करवा मिसरी चंपानी नबी इश्क झुके तो कताओ मिलानी कनयारी कतारी इश्क नामे गायदा कनयारी कतारी इश्क नामे गायदा इश्क नामे गायदा इश्क नामे गायदा कनयारी कतारी इश्क नामे गायदा शोरी मचा
दुश्मन बया संगत बस वादा बहारानी वादा मन
जाने तन बया संगत बावादा बजाने
करजारी सदवारी
ओलिता में वारिदा करजारी सदवारी ओलिता में वारिदा ओलिता में प्यार दा ओलिता में प्यार दा करजारी सदवारी ओलिता में प्यार दा
ओलिका में प्यार दा
ओलिता में प्यार दा कनयारी कटारी इश्क नामे गायदा इश्क नामे गायदा इश्क नामे गायदा कनयारी कटारी इश्क नामे गायदा सब ये नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग जो है आई होप सब ने सुना होगा ये और मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि इसमें सब साथ ज्वाइन करें तो बहुत मज़ा आएगा सॉन्ग सबने ज्वाइन करना है ओ लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन लाल मेरी
ओ लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन सिंधड़ी दा से वरदा सखी शाबाश कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली का पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर सखी शाबाश कलंदर हो लाल मेरी है लाल मेरी
चार चराग तेरे वरण हमेशा
चार चराग तेरे वरण हमेशा चार चराग तेरे वरण हमेशा पंजवा में बालन आयो भला झूले लालन पंजवा में बालन पंजवा में बालन आयो भला झूले लालन सिंगड़ी दास से वरदा सखी शाबाश कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली का पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर सखी शाबाश कलंदर हो लाल मेरी है लाल मेरी
gentlemen, we also have the Director Advancement here tonight. I'll call upon the stage Commodore Retired Arshad Mahmood, Sitare Imtiaz Military, Tamgha Imtiaz Military, Tamgha Basalat Bar, to appraisal us about the endowment fund.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Honorable Rector, Bahria University, Vice Admiral Abid Hamid, Halal Imtiaz Military. Respected Director General, Karachi Campus, Rear Admiral Zubair Shafiq, Halal Imtiaz Military, retired. Honorable Directors, esteemed faculty members, distinguished alumni, or valued guests. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome. Today is not just a gathering. Today is homecoming, a return to the place where dreams were shaped, friendships were forged, and future quietly began. On behalf of the Bahria University, and particularly the BU Advancement and Student Affairs Directorate, it is truly an honor to welcome back to your alma mater here at our vibrant Karachi campus. I will be straight away coming to the power of the alumni. Dear alumni, you are not just our graduates, you are our greatest ambassadors, our strongest proof of impact, our most valuable partners in shaping the future of this institution. Every achievement you carry today, whether in industry, entrepreneurship, public service, academia, or social impact, carries the imprint of the Bahria University. And today, we proudly say, Bahria University lives through you. As Director, Bahria University Advancement and Student Affairs, let me briefly share why the Student Affairs and Advancement Directorates exist and why your presence here today is so important. Globally, leading universities grow not only through government support and tuition fee, they grow through strong student development and engagement, lifelong alumni relationship, strategic industry partnership, and philanthropic and donor engagement with the university. Together, Student Affairs and Advancement focus on the complete student journey, from student life and leadership development to lifelong alumni connection. Our work is about building lifelong relationships, not one-time interaction on alumni homecomings, transforming gratitude into impact, turning success stories into opportunities for the next generations. It is about ensuring that no deserving student is left behind, no innovation remains unspotted, and no alumnus feel disconnected from his or her alma mater. Coming over to your Karachi campus, a strategic hub, Karachi holds a spacious place in Bahria University's journey. It is Pakistan economic engine, a hub of industry, finance, technology, healthcare, and entrepreneurship, and home to some of our most distinguished alumni that you all are. Our shared vision is to position Bahria University Karachi campus as a model of industry-academia collaboration, where students gain real-world exposure and confidence. Faculty engages in applied impact-driven research. Alumni help shape curricula, mentor students, and open the doors. This vision is not possible without you all. My dear alumni, how you can engage back with your alma mater? Let us be very clear. Engagement is not limited to financial giving. There are many meaningful ways to stay connected. Mentorship, where you can guide a student to stay connected. Entrepreneurship and placement, open doors within your organization. Guest lectures and industry talk. Share real-world thoughts. Industry linkage, help us collaborate with your professional network. CSR and scholarship, support access to the education, endowment and legacy giving. create impact that lasts to the generations. Every contribution, whether of time, expertise, opportunity, or resources, matters deeply to us. We understand one critical thing, that is the trust, transparency, and impact. That is why Bahria University Advancement Directorate is committed to full transparency in fund utilization, regular impact reporting, recognition of alumni contribution, and strong governance and accountability. When we give back to Bahria University, you should always know where your contribution went, who it helped, and what impact it created. Ladies and gentlemen, now just a note for our shared responsibility. You and we share a responsibility, that is to ensure that Bahria University continues to produce ethical and responsible leaders, drive innovation and creativity, serve Pakistan and its communities, and compete confidence at the global level. The world our future generations are entering now is far more complex than one I and you were entered. They need skill, they need mentor, networks, and confidence. And you are the uniquely positioned to provide all of that. And now I request you all to take out your cell phone, please. Everybody, and please note down one number. Everybody? Okay, great. 0331 777 3687. 3687 is my P number as well, and this is my mobile number. This is the number of our advancement and the number of your advancement directorate. Please, I will be connected to you 24/7 all the time. You give a message, you call me, you message me, you do anything. Welcome every time. I am with you. Just my call to connect. As we celebrate this homecoming, I, Director Advancement and Student Affairs, invite you on behalf of our Honorable Rector to do three simple things. 3. 1. Reconnect with your university. Please. 2nd, reflect on how Bahria University contributed to your journey. And the 3rd one, reimagine how you can be part of its future. This is your home. Your success is our pride, and your continued involvement is our greatest strength. Thank you all for coming home. Welcome back to Bahria University.
Ladies and gentlemen, with great reverence and honor, I invite our esteemed chief guest, Vice Admiral Abid Hamid, Hilal-e-Imtiaz Military, the Honorable Rector of Bahria University, to kindly grace the stage and share his invaluable insights with us. Please join me in welcoming Rector Bahria University.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I'll not be able to give that kind of a flashy speech as Arshad did. But while I was trying to take some notes while you all were introducing yourself, so when I came here, I was invited as a rector, but I thought that there's another way that I can connect to you, that in a way I'm also a Bahria alumni, that once I did my staff course, actually it was an affiliate college of the Bahria University. So let me introduce myself. I joined Bahria University very recently, and amongst the option I chose the options available to me, I chose to come here as a rector because to me, it's not just a job, it's a passion also. So let me start with this, that Arshad has already welcomed you as we gather today. We celebrate the legacy of more than 55,000 alumni of Bahria University. And you are one of those. You are our pride, our ambassadors, and our strength. I was recently so happy to see that during the Islamabad Job Fest that more than 50 companies, including some big names, employing our students. And those included the teams which came to employ the students had mostly the Bahria University alumni. Another statistics that I can give you is that amongst the 55,000 are graduates, 4,000 are among the top 62 listed companies of Pakistan, and that includes many multinational. So our students or our graduates, our alumni are doing very well. And one of those alumni that I met in Islamabad, he is leading a petrochemical company, a oil exploration company, PEL. He is our alumni for our H11 Environmental Engineering Department. And he told me the plans that he is going to do first offshore drilling of Pakistan. And if that becomes a success, the first offshore well, then that is going to change probably the fate of this country in the economics. And so it is, and if that happens, as is the success rate of that company is 100% up till now, the onshore, on land, their success is 100%. So if that happens, that will be a huge thing. And he would be, a CEO is a Bahria University alumni. So since joining here as Bahria University, I look forward to modifying the academic profile of the university so that our programs are aligned to the future needs like cybersecurity, big data, AI, quantum computing. So our direction is going towards the modern technologies. Not only that, we also want to upgrade our infrastructure, our facilities for the students. And very recently, we have made some headways in expanding our infrastructure. Like we have now a new medical college in the north, which has recently, in few days back, has been notified by the government. We are also going to launch in the near future an open distance learning program in English, which will be followed, based on its success, it will be followed by other programs. So moving forward, I think as we understand that now, especially in the post-COVID world, where people have started working from their home, the studying from home would be a big trend. And the people, more and more people will opt for online degrees or open distance degrees. So that is a direction, another direction that we have taken. Moreover, we are also trying to make our degrees more attractive through micro-learning initiatives so that students have certification during doing the degrees, and after the degrees, they have very lesser time to do as trainees or training engineers or management trainees, so directly they can start their jobs. So that is another aspect there we are trying to introduce. We are also making our professional development courses platform more effective so that we can impart more practical training. Now, I took some notes that one of the faculty member talk of the BIC or Business Incubation Center. So that's another area that is under our focus. In the same university premises, the foundation of the Pakistan Maritime Science and Technology Park has been laid. So in 3 years' time, we will have a fully functional huge maritime technology park working inside the Bahria University. So that's another thing which is planned for the future. Somebody said that they found a good job being a Bahria business alumni. So people talk of IBA and LUMS. So what is my mission is that our management programs, apart from our other flagship programs like computer science, psychology, we also revamp our management programs, and we are going for an international accreditation so that we become one of the 6 top-rated schools in the world. So our management program is being revamped. So I understand that most of you belong to Gen Z and you don't like to listen to long lectures and sermons. So I'll keep it very short. I think alumni homecoming is a very important event to me. Engagement with alumni is a very important thing. And you should feel at home. And even any of you, if you land into a trouble, you are not finding a decent job, we will be there to support you, not only in Pakistan, but abroad as well. So we have our connections in many of the countries through the leverage of our alumni, through the leverage of the Navy, so we can support you anywhere in the world if you want to. And Arshad actually very openly put up his agenda of advancement. But I would just give you a few examples of IBA, of LUMS, of many other leading universities, where, some of you, I was listening to a speech of a vice chancellor of some of the European university, and when he was addressing in his convocation address, and he said, many of you would succeed, but few of you would make big, right? You would be CEO of an international company, or you would own a big business. And once you do that, so it is not just for your own self or your family. You need to contribute to the society as well. You need to contribute to your university, and not only Bahria, anywhere you want to support the education cause, I think you should. And you should hold hand of the people who are coming after you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your wisdom with all of us. I would be deeply honored if you could please remain on the stage for our group photograph. I would also like to request our respected Director General, directors, members of alumni associations, and our student performers to please come on the stage for a group photograph with our honorable chief guest.